Today it is on accident investigation. For fatalities, injuries, and property damage, there are only three causes in this world. Do you know that? If not, they are criminal attacks, natural calamities, and accidents. Compared to accidents, the other two are negligible. Accidents cause 100 times more fatalities than the other two. If I say that every minute a person dies in India from accident or in any other country, nobody can dispute that since there is no clean statistics available anywhere. All that any source can come out with is only hearsay. In fact, it may be more. When one person dies in an accident, at least another 50 or more are hospitalized and maybe another 500 seek first aid. What causes an accident? Only unsafe acts and unsafe conditions to begin with. Both are creation of man. In seeking comforts which we will never attain, man has modified the nature. Inventions, mechanization, everything has ruined the nature. Accidents are its byproducts. The unsafe acts and unsafe conditions are the byproducts of modernization. Unsafe conditions result in unsafe actions too. Let us discuss such a case. This man in the picture met with an accident and broke his spine. This is the scene of the accident. He fell from the ladder. Injury he sustained is he broke his spine. A team or commission will investigate this accident case. Their findings will be: accident, fall of person from height. Explanation: this ladder he used was defective. It was lying nearby. The victim found it handy to do painting at height. He climbed up, avoiding the broken reg. While upon the ladder, his wife came with a hot cup of coffee for the hard-working husband and reminded that it will get cold. He really wanted the coffee his wife is offering with love and lot of affection. Its flavor was inviting also. He hurried down, forgetting the case of broken reg, stepped onto it and fell. Broke his spine. Causes. We find two causes here. One is unsafe action, the other one is unsafe condition. Unsafe condition. Defective ladder. See the condition, one of its rugs was damaged. Unsafe action, using a defective ladder. Recommendation. To avoid such accidents, the victim is advised not to use any defective ladder in future. The file may be closed. But I am not satisfied with this. Are you? If you are, I am certain you have to learn better. I will show you. You ask these questions. Did the man know that the defective equipment causes accidents? Did he know that the ladder is only to go up and down and not to work standing on it? Was he trained in using ladders? Was there anybody to watch or supervise him while working at height? When was this ladder damaged? Immediately then, why it was not repaired or scrapped? Why it was kept there to be used again in that condition? How long it remained there? Why no one noticed the defective equipment, in this case the ladder lying there for long? Did his wife notice the defect, that is the broken reg? If noticed, why she did not remind him not to use it or at least to watch for it while coming down the ladder? Why did she distract his attention while he was upon the ladder? Why she did not wait for him for his coming down to have his coffee? Why the flavor and her announcement were too good, and many more. Answers to these questions will show that it is not unsafe acts or unsafe conditions causing accidents, but a chain of causes. If one link in the chain, in this case any one of the causes were eliminated, the accident may not have occurred. The cause of any accident is a failure in the system. Unsafe actions or unsafe conditions are only symptoms of something wrong in the management system. Unsafe conditions causes unsafe actions too. Unsafe conditions and unsafe actions together are sure to cause accidents. Root cause of every accident is a system failure. Do not go for finding fault with persons, but correct our system to avoid accidents. Prevent unsafe conditions from developing. If still in doubt, by heart the poem itself. Look at our system if you are really interested in preventing accidents. Thank you for your time in watching this video.